sanibonani ekuseni nilalele uMusic Gardens FM Channel 33 nobumpele umkenenezo wemphefumulo lasithi khona izwi labangumuntu. Sanibonani kumhla 26 kaJanuary 26 January 2026. Oh, this is the day that the Lord has made. Uyagcwaliseka umbhalo namhlanje sithola isikhathi esisha, i-total victory, ukunqoba okupheleleyo. Siyabona uNkulunkulu esenzela izimangaliso ekseni nje. Kuwumusa ukuvuka ekseni, kuwumusa ukubona lolu suku namhlanje kumhla 26 kuJanuary onyakeni ka2026. Oh God, izinto singayithathi kancane. Kuningi uNkulunkulu akukhulumayo ngezinto. uNkulunkulu ukhuluma ngayo yonke into. But-ke niyaphila kodwa. uNkulunkulu muhle. It's a Monday ekseni, good morning drive. La sithi khona izwi labangumuntu, sikhuluma ngezinto ezakha umuntu, ngezinto ezobuyisela umuntu la ivele uNkulunkulu ayembeke khona before amdale, ngoba uNkulunkulu wakudala waqeda ngawe. But-ke niyaphila nonke, America, Asia and Europe and Africa. uNkulunkulu usigcinile. I'm so blessed ukuthi uNkulunkulu usasicabanga namanje, ukuthi uNkulunkulu usanemicabango emihle ngathi, futhi wasazi engakasibumbi. So siyabonga kakhulu nje. Izolo ke sikhulumile ngayo uMose, noma singabanga ne-conversation ende, bekunama technical issues izolo kancane. Namanje kuseni we're gonna speak nje a little bit, but into ebalekile kakhulu esokhuluma ngayo ila uNkulunkulu enika khona uMoses assurance, because angithi siyakhumbula ukuthi wahlangana ke nalesihlahla esasivutha kodwa singashi. That was something else for him, and uNkulunkulu wayesemvezela i-divinity yakhe, emvezela uNkulunkulu. But bahlangana endaweni ekuthiwa isendaweni engcwele, indawo yokulunga, because kwakufanele akhumule izicathulo zakhe. Shuthi i-own understanding kwakufanele ayikhiphe i-understanding yakhe, ame phekwe ezwi kaNkulunkulu, ekuyilo esikhuluma ngalo ukuthi izwi laNkulunkulu lifake kuwena, and kubalekile ukuthi ume kulo. I was listening now ekseni before ngiqale la Andrew Omek ethi living in spirit is actually walking in the word. Ukusho ukuthi ukuhamba kumoya ukuthi uhambe ezwini uNkulunkulu alikhulumile kuwe. And that's very important, because iyona ndawo engcwele, iyona ndawo righteous, ekwazi ukuthi ikubonisa izinto ongekwazi ukuyibona, even wazi ukwenza ama decisions, eternal decisions, amahle azokhulisa even izingane zakho. So it's very important to walk in the word. Sithi sanibonani ekseni. Nkosi yami, uNkulunkulu muhle. Sanibonani Music Gardens FM Channel 33 nobumpele, umkenenezo, umphefumulo, umsakazo omusha njalo, omusha for isikhathi esisha. yonke into intsha ebusweni baNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu uhlala esinika izinto ezi-fresh, ezi-new. Every morning we hear the Lord in a new way. Yeah, uNkulunkulu wezinto ezintsha. That's how we grow in him, knowing that. So let's continue the conversation here too. Let me read to Exodus 3 from verse 9, because yakhumbula ukuthi ke wayesemchazeleni uNkulunkulu uMose about ibhila ba-Israel esethi ke, let me read to verse 9. Uthi, bheka manje ukukhala kwabantwana baka-Israyeli sekufike kimi, futhi ngikubonile ukucindezela abaseGibhithe ababecindezela ngakho hamba, ngiyakukuthuma kuFaro ukuba ukhiphe eGibhithe abantu bami, abantwana baka-Israyeli. Oh my God. Yazi uNkulunkulu nje uyamangaza ukuthi uma ezosithuma yena usuke into eseyenzile. Thina we just need to believe nje ukuthi okay Nkosi, okay let me go, because wena usuhambile. Ngiyakhuleka ukuthi sibe kulesikhathi esinjena manje la uNkulunkulu singamngabazi, la uNkulunkulu sazi ukuthi wasidala before asidale. Angazi ngathini, wasazi, wasiqeda, wasidesigner engakasakhi. So uyayazi indlela zethu, la ukhona manje kade uNkulunkulu abakhona. So yilokho esifuna ukuphusha nje kule FM ukuthi ngoba yonke esibonile elimitha amandla kaNkulunkulu awafake kithi, ukungamkholi ukuthi mayethi yenza into kusho ukuthi useyenzile. Okunye kuze kuba ama-signs ukuthi uNkulunkulu kaphophisa abantu abangahlangene nawe nje, abakude nawe, but baphupha izinto ngawe, okuyi-sign ukuthi lento uNkulunkulu yenze already isiyenziwe kamoya, uNkulunkulu kade aqeda ngayo. So you just need to believe and say, yes Lord, let thy will be done, and uzobona amandla sekukholweni, ukunqoba kusekukholweni uNkulunkulu, and nakukholwa kwakhiwe nguye. So we need to exercise that energy uNkulunkulu ayifakile yokukholwa. Kukuthina we have it, ukuthi nje ingqondo yethu eyenze ngathi asinakho, you just know ukuthi okay, all right Lord, let me go. Kunzima kunjani, because one ungaba limited by history, or noma mhlambe i-background yakho noma isimo sakho. Khona abantu abake basaba ukwenza izinto because mhlawumbe abanazo imali, or bathi uNkulunkulu uhamba ukhuluma no-businessmen, aba-successful, ubatshele about their identity. So uthi wena you don't have anything in the bank, you don't. So uNkulunkulu akakubuki ngamehlo lawo athina esibuka ngawo. uNkulunkulu ukubuka as a person osekwenzile lokho. It's very important to know that ingakho lento enzo uNkulunkulu kuMose ethi akakhumule icathulo, because uMose wayenayo ihistory yakhe, ukuthi one isihlahla siyavutha kodwa sishi, mentally he was disturbed ukuthi kwenza kanjani. So and wezwa ne-voice, and wayikhumula icathulo. Isikhathi eyikhumula, that's where uNkulunkulu aqala introduce kuyena. That's very important ukuthi singabeki kakhulu ukuqonda kwethu kulento kaNkulunkulu, ngoba ihamba ngenye nje indlela yayo, efuna nje ukuthi nje uthi yebo Nkosi, akube njalo njengoba ushilo, njengoMaria sakhuluma ngayo ukuthi wavele wathi makube njengalokho iNkosi ishilo. So doesn't matter ukuthi kunzima kangakanani, uNkulunkulu usibizela izinto ezinkulu, izinto transforma izizwe. Abantu abaningi bazosindiswa ngenxa yokuthi wena uthe yebo Nkosi, yenza lokho okushilo. Let's read to verse 10. Uthi ngakho hamba, ngiyakuthuma kuFaro ukuba ukhiphe eGibhithe abantu bami, abantwana baka-Israel. uMose wayesethi kuNkulunkulu, ngingubani mina ukuba ngiye kuFaro ngikhiphe eGibhithe abantwana bakwa-Israel? Wathi ngiza kuba nawe ngempela, lokhu kuyakuba luphawu kuwo ukuthi ngikuthumile. Nxa ukhiphile isizwe eGibhithe niyakumkhonza uNkulunkulu kule ntaba. Intaba engcwele, intaba la ehlangane khona noNkulunkulu, iMount Sinai. It's very important ukuthi ke sibuke le ndaba. Ingakho i-morning session yethu won't be long. I-message kakhulu ebesifuna ukuyisho ekuseni ukuthi uNkulunkulu mayethe unawe, yazi ukuthi leyo nto it's forever. uNkulunkulu uhlale nawe. So look, uMose was trying ukuthi ke amake excuse, because uyazi ukuthi ushiye neGibhithe, but uNkulunkulu uyam-assure ukuthi Moses, ngizoba nawe because nginawe, nganginawe ngakakudali, ngakudala nginawe, namanje uma ngikuthuma nginawe. So yilokho nje namhlanje ekuseni asizoba bade, ngifuna nje ni digest le message ukuthi uNkulunkulu unawe. Ungesabi, ungaba intimidated by izinto engekho powerful than you, because wena uphethe uNkulunkulu ongaphe kwakho konke. So ukwesaba akuzokusiza ngalutho. Yes, bekuyileyo message yanamhlanje nje, we're gonna be very short as ngishilo, but nje ngifuna nihambe nakho lokuthi uNkulunkulu nani. Njengathi uMoses wathi ngiza kuba nawe ngempela, lokhu kuye kuba uluphawu kuwo ukuthi ngikuthumile. Nxa ukhiphile isizwe eGibhithe niya kumkhonza uNkulunkulu kule ntaba. So uNkulunkulu izwi laNkulunkulu ne guarantee proven ukuthi it's gonna work. That's powerful. Ngingayiphinda futhi ukuthi izwi kaNkulunkulu alifake kuwe ligarantiwe ukuthi it shall happen, and exactly how it was spoken. Yeah, so ilokho nje. Let me just leave you. I'm gonna see you in the afternoon drive, and we will continue with the story. Hopefully we're gonna finish up the conversation kaNkulunkulu noMose. Goodbye, I'm gonna see you. God bless you.